Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply stop apps from accessing your location on your Windows PC. Very easy guided tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your start menu. Click on that. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on privacy. So from privacy, come down below right here, click on location permission. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and see all apps that have access to your location. Choose which apps can access your precise location. There are some apps here that is spying on your location that you need to turn off. So what you need to do right here, review the apps that have access to your location. Just like camera right here, I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to turn off my Skype, and I'm going to simply turn off the weather that have access to my location right here. You can turn off as many as possible apps that you don't want them to have access to your location. It's as simple as that. So with that, you maintain your privacy on your Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.